Hi everybody. No matter what's going on in the world, it's always important to find the time to celebrate your accomplishments, reflect on your journey, and think about how you're going to get what you want out of your future. Believe me, I know you all have overcome a lot this year, and there's a lot that's still up in the air. But no matter what you're going through, I want to share with you just two things that will always be true. First, you don't have to do anything alone. All of us here in the Reach Higher community are here for you, whether you just graduated high school and are headed off to college, or you just got your degree and you're headed out into the world. And soon enough, you'll find all sorts of friends and mentors who will be right by your side as well. Second, you have what it takes to handle whatever comes next. Whether you're feeling a little nervous about starting a new school, or you're beginning to wonder whether you're college material in the first place, I just want you to know you've got this. You have beaten the odds before, and you've got a lot of people, including me, rooting for you. So I hope you'll tune in to our virtual Beating the Odds series so you can get the tips and support you need to be successful when classes start. And don't forget to share your plans with us on social media using hashtags Beating the Odds and Better Make Room. And if you've got questions, throw them our way by tagging Better Make Room. You can also find plenty of links on our feeds and on the Better Make Room YouTube page to videos and resources that will help you prepare for your next chapter. Whatever that might look like, I am already so incredibly proud of all of you. I have a feeling that after all you've been through, this generation is going to change the world, and the rest of us better make room for all of you to do just that. I can't wait to see what you do next.